Whole eye transplantation is a very complex and challenging procedure. The first whole eye transplantation was performed recently, last month. The patient is a 46-year-old military veteran who suffered severe facial trauma. The eye was transplanted successfully, but sight has not yet been regained. It is thought that whole eye transplantation could become a routine procedure within the next 10 years. This is largely because connecting the optic nerve, which comes from the brain, to the retina is extremely difficult and complex. Now, what about partial eye transplantation? Retinal transplantation or optic nerve transplantation and regeneration are still in the early preclinical stages, so they are more theoretical and developmental, and not yet clinically implemented. Corneal transplantation, however, is the most common and well-established procedure. The cornea is the transparent, dome-shaped outer layer of the eye. It acts like a lens,